everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a fried roll-up. Today I'm gonna show you a fried rice roll-up. It's gonna be a shrimp roll, and we're just gonna jump right into the recipe. This is gonna be a really simple one, and it's a great lunch, a lower carb lunch. And let's jump right in. So the first thing we're going to do is prep some carrot for this recipe. Now, I'm gonna be using a couple different things for the filling. I like to use Argentinian shrimp, so I get this one. It's a little bit larger than regular shrimp, so I'm gonna use that. And I just get a frozen bag and I unfreeze it whenever I'm ready to make my roll-ups, or just any shrimp in general. I'm also gonna be using 3 medium large carrots. You're going to need some rice noodles. Now this is totally optional. You could do either rice noodles or you could do the miracle noodle, the one that is the low carb noodle. It's on my Amazon storefront if you want to purchase that, but I'm going to be using a rice noodle today. I also have rice paper and some seaweed. And the first thing we're going to do is prep our carrot. So I'm going to take my carrot and first just peel the outside layer. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button down below and also like this video while you're at it. If you're also interested in my merch, I have aprons as well as t-shirt and a long sleeve. Make sure to check that out on my merch store. It is linked in the description below. I also love to keep a food waste bin here next to me. I've linked this one on my Amazon storefront as well. I'm now going to grate the carrot, but I first want to cut off the ends. So I'm just gonna cut off both ends. And I'm gonna take the grater on this larger side and just carefully grate my carrot. If you want to already buy pre-shredded carrot, you can do that as well. Setting our carrot to the side, I'm also going to prep my shrimp. So I have my shrimp and I'm going to butterfly it. That just makes it a little bit thinner when I'm putting it in the roll itself. So I'm just going to cut it in half. I get the one that's already deveined so that I can just easily cut it in half like this. Next, we're going to prepare the rice noodles. So I have water that is boiling and I'm gonna take some of my rice noodles and put them into the boiling water. I'm just gonna follow the instructions on the packaging, which says to cook it for 5 to 6 minutes. Going to swirl this around, make sure it separates, and I'm setting my timer for 5 minutes. The last prep is I'm going to heat a nonstick pan, put a little bit of cooking spray, and we are going to cook our shrimp. So I'm going to lay it down in the pan, and we're going to cook them until they just turn pink. I'm gonna add a little bit of sesame oil. And some soy sauce. This is gonna be part of our dip later on as well, but I like to put the flavor in the shrimp too. All right, our shrimp are cooked. We're going to take them off the pan and start assembling our rice rolls. We're ready to assemble our rolls. So I'm gonna be taking my rice paper. And of course you want to wet the rice paper. So I'm just gonna take out as many as I'm going to make. And you just wet the rice paper in some water on both sides, which is just the regular instructions that are on the packaging. I'm gonna lay it down, put some of my seaweed. We're gonna add our shredded carrot, our rice noodles, and I'm going to lay down my shrimp. I also like to take some of the furikake. It's like a seasoning. You can find it usually in the Asian section of a grocery store. I'm going to sprinkle some of that on there. And then we're going to roll this up. So I'm going to fold it inwards first, and then I'm going to roll it over. And it's closed like this. You're gonna do this for as many rolls as you're making. I have my delicious rolls, and I have also a non-stick pan that I'm heating on medium-low heat. Once the pan gets hot, I'm gonna add a little bit of sesame oil, and we're going to fry the outside of these rolls. It's gonna add a lot of great flavor and also some great crunch to the rolls as well. I'm gonna add some of my sesame oil now. We're gonna let that oil heat up just a little bit. And then I'm going to gently place down my rice paper rolls. So I kind of put them in the oil, coat the bottom. We're gonna let this cook for about 1.5 minutes on the first side. It's been about 1.5 minutes. I'm going to flip them over to let it cook for another 2 minutes on the second side. While this is finishing frying, I'm gonna also work on my sauce. And I'm gonna do a really simple dipping sauce for this. I'm gonna put some rice vinegar, sesame oil, soy sauce, spicy chili crisp, and that same furikake seasoning. And I'm just gonna give that all a mix. And that's gonna be my dipping sauce for these rolls. And there you have it, our delicious rice rolls. This is such a great lunch. I absolutely love making this one, and it is really delicious. It tastes restaurant style, but you've made it right at home. Simple ingredients, and most importantly, this is so delicious. I cannot wait to dig into this. I'm gonna dip into that delicious sauce that we just made. Can't wait for you guys to try this one. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and cheers. I absolutely love this recipe and can't wait to hear what you guys think. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.